Hi, I'm Laurie, Service Controller for Truma Technical Support Team. In this video we're going to have a look at the considerations of where to locate your combi boiler in your conversion vehicle. Wherever possible, we like to balance the heat output, so a central position is always a really good start point, whether your vehicle is empty or whether you have furniture slightly in situation, as we have in this example here. Considerations that you really have to think about are your water supply, your fuel supply, whether that be gas piping or diesel piping, your main supply and a good 12-volt supply system. All of these services need to be supplied up to the actual positioning of the boiler. So make sure you don't overrun any pipe work or any cable lengths. The last thing you want to do is have a network of cables that you don't really need in the vehicle. The boiler itself should be securely mounted to the floor, centrally mounted in the vehicle, and we also need an exhaust port local to the wall of the vehicle as well. Once you've got the boiler located, the next consideration is the location of your control panel. When thinking about the location of your control panel, this panel needs to be connected to your boiler. It also needs a 12-volt supply from your power network in the vehicle somewhere. That's the two hard networked parts that you need to consider. So ideally it needs to be on the sidewall of a cupboard perhaps, where the cables can be hidden behind. The control panel also has Bluetooth connectivity, so if it isn't readily accessible, you can still control that panel and the boiler via your telephone system on Bluetooth. Next hardwired item to consider is the room temperature sensor. Ideally located, this should be in your habitation area of the vehicle, and we always like to have it about shoulder to head height, because this is where the ambient warmth of the vehicle should be experienced. Again, it's a small 10-pence piece sized room stat that can be positioned in the sidewall of a cupboard or a door fascia or any similar area where a cable can be run in the network of cables behind the vehicle. The other consideration when you're planning your vehicle is where you want to experience the heat. Ideally, our boilers need a minimum of 3 hot air outlets. We have 4 outlets on the boilers themselves. 1 can be blocked off, the other 3 can be split out or can be enhanced as required. Considerations to have are where you want the heat. Is it in the habitation area? Is it in the bedroom? Do you want something in the toilet compartment that can perhaps be used as a drying area when not in use as well? They should be equally balanced wherever possible, or we can branch off and extend these into additional outlets as required to get suitable balanced warmth around your vehicle. So as a conclusion, it's always good to have a good plan of where you want the boiler, the ducting, the control panel and the room temperature sensor. Lay it out, visualise it and perhaps move it before you even lift a screwdriver or drill a hole. It's easier to move items around in an empty vehicle to help you visualise where things go, get your furniture planned, do any woodwork planning, put some masking tape down and get the idea of where you want to experience the best warmth in your vehicle.